National Commission for Protection of Child Rights (NCPCR) amadi Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (MCPCR) na puna khusamnaduna Joint Action Plan on Substance Abuse Among Children and Illicit Trafficking haiba hiramda state ki thakta nomagi oiba review kam consultation program pangthokrai. Manipur Press Club pangthokiba thoramadu da saruk yakiba Imphal East District ki Deputy Commissioner Khomanthem Dainana inkhalakliba nahasingna mayai kaba chinjak sijanabagi chang nongmagi wangkhalakliba sidagi kanba ngamnaba laingaki maikaidagi khongthang kaya lokhatli Laingaki mari lenaba department CSO amadi miyamga punna khusamnaduna lamdam asigi kachin koya yauna mayai kaba chinjaka mari lenaba awareness program kaya su leptana chatharakli haiki DCS na makhata na mayai kaba chinjak sungbada sijanariba popi pambi thabagi mahuta atopa mahi marong thaduna amadi sasan loiduna hingnabagi lambi semnaba district administration na horticulture agriculture amadi veterinary and animal husbandry department singa kupna khanaduna khongthang kaya lokhalakli loinana niyam gi wangmada di addiction center hangliba sing asi khangdoktuna thingzinaba police ki mateng lauduna akanba drive sing su mafam kaya da chathari haina phongdokhi
awareness yang focus tawsi awareness to tang da koi district social welfare officer degi district child protection officer degi DPO onna makna degi general education officer na su CMO na chingba koi multi sai department pullaga 9 departments in pullaga tawje duga target su akoi outreach story base differentiation parents degi ozasing degi the healthcare workers sing na chingba degi local club ki active members mayam lay dugumba mayam na chingba da loina target tawje ki marang kaina lay to ba trust center amo oi baganda matik cha do center sing du thingbi order piro matta koi gi thingam do mayam su hozik kana drive chatari bani
Thoramadu da saruk yakiba MCPCR ki chairman Kaisam Pradeep Kumar na inkhalakliba nahasingna mayai kaba chinjak ki ipakta tawrakliba sidagi kanba ngamnaba honabada stakeholder singa punna khusamnaduna chatminaba mathau tai mahaisang amagi akoibadagi meter chamagi manungda hidak managi polam sing yonba amadi sijanaba thingliba simakna chinjak asi pikliba mahiroi singna sijanabagi chang hanthahanbada mateng oiri Hidak managi pothok sing asina miyoibigi hakchang da piriba mangjaba amadi haksel gi lamda oirakpa yaba khudongchadaba sing utpa board amadi poster sing so mahisang amadi miyam tinba mafum sing da thetuna angang sing da mayek sengna khanghanbagi tangai fadaba lei haiki Thoramadu da Social Welfare ki Joint Director Banti Konthauzam NAP ki SP W Basu Education S ki Senior Research Officer Laisram Ibechaubi RIM Psychiatry Department ki Professor Dr. R.K. Lennon Amadi MCPCR ki Project Officer Sumel Yumnamna Substance Abuse Amadi Illicit Trafficking ga mari lenaba Hiram Singh da wangangki
ayamana drug users addicted persons in ayamana adult above 18 years of age ayamu however research and surveillance koida indication that PVC as early as 12 years of age sahi time thoki atai degi wo substance abuse lorok kogi sinaba hogi bagi koi findings like and large population of children are using substance abuses, different kind of drugs and substances, and they are remain as hidden population. This is a very crucial matter. Hidden when